The year 490 BC marked a pivotal moment in ancient Greek history with the Battle of Marathon. This clash between the Athenians, supported by their Plataean allies, and the invading Persian forces has become an iconic event. It stands as a testament to the enduring spirit and resilience of the Greek city-states against the vast Persian Empire. The battle took place on the plains of Marathon, a strategic location roughly 26 miles northeast of Athens. In the early 5th century BC, the Persian Empire, under the rule of King Darius I, had set its sights on expanding its influence into Greece. In 492 BC, Darius launched an initial expedition that met with some success but was ultimately thwarted due to stormy seas. This setback only fueled the Persian desire for vengeance and conquest. 8 years later, in 490 BC, Darius assembled a formidable army and navy to subdue Greece. News of the impending Persian invasion reached Athens, prompting a swift and resolute response. The Athenians, renowned for their democratic society and military prowess, understood the gravity of the situation. They mobilized their citizen soldiers, known as hoplites, and called for support from neighboring city-states. Plataea, a small but steadfast ally of Athens, answered the call, sending their warriors to stand shoulder to shoulder with the Athenians. The Athenian Plataean force, led by generals Miltiades and Callimachus, positioned themselves on the plains of Marathon, awaiting the Persian onslaught. The Greek hoplites, armed with bronze armor, shields, and spears, formed a phalanx, a tightly packed formation that was the cornerstone of Greek warfare. As the Persians landed on the shores of Marathon, the Greek army prepared for the confrontation. Miltiades devised a brilliant strategy, taking advantage of the terrain and the strengths of his hoplite infantry. Recognizing that the Persians had a numerical advantage, he ordered his troops to lengthen their lines, thinning the center but reinforcing the flanks. This strategic move aimed to prevent the Persian forces from enveloping the Greek army. When the Persian forces, led by their generals Datis and Artaphernes, launched their assault, the battle raged fiercely. The Greeks fought valiantly, pushing back the enemy and maintaining their defensive formation. The precision and discipline of the hoplites proved crucial, as they withstood the onslaught of the Persian archers and infantry. As the battle wore on, it became evident that the Greeks were holding their ground, defying the odds against a much larger force. In a decisive moment, the Greek flanks, led by Aristides and Themistocles, managed to outmaneuver the Persians, encircling them and driving them back towards the sea. This maneuver shifted the momentum decisively in favor of the Greeks. The Persians suffered a significant defeat at Marathon, with a substantial portion of their army either killed or driven into the sea. The Greeks, in contrast, suffered relatively light casualties. This victory marked a turning point in the Greco-Persian Wars and served as an inspiring example of what a united Greece could achieve against formidable odds. The Battle of Marathon left an indelible mark on Greek history and culture. It became a symbol of Greek unity, heroism, and the enduring power of democracy. To honor the fallen, the Athenians erected a tumulus, a mound of earth, which served as a memorial to the warriors who had perished in battle. The Battle of Marathon not only safeguarded Greece from immediate Persian conquest, but also set the stage for future conflicts between Greece and Persia. It demonstrated that the mighty Persian Empire could be challenged and that the Greek city-states were willing to defend their freedom at any cost. The legacy of Marathon echoed through the centuries, influencing the development of Western civilization and inspiring generations to come. Subscribe to my channel if you like these historical videos and click on the top left box for the story of the fall of Athens. Turks capture the Acropolis. Thanks for watching.